In this video, we're going to explore the new auto begin functionality of Linework in our survey databases. If you take a look at the two files that we're going to work with, the first one is a very simple text file, point number, northing, easting, elevation, and description. And you'll see here that I have no Linework codes. All I have are my description for line. If I take a look at the fieldbook file, you'll see that we have only observations, with our description being line as well. We have no Linework code commands in here. So the only prerequisite to this is making sure that in your figure prefix database you have a figure prefix that is set to the exact same as your description. Okay, so I have descriptions of lines. I have a figure prefix of line here as well. To begin, I'm going to select Import Survey Data. We're going to create a new survey database. I'm going to do the field book first. I'll go ahead and bring in my field book file and select it from my desktop. I'll create a new network. I'll call it field book as well. And I want to make sure that my current figure prefix database is set to sample and that I have process Linework during import set to yes. Once I finish, all of my information will be brought in, as well as this new figure that was created. See, no figure codes required. It picked up on it just because we had this figure prefix set up and we had our description set the same. And you'll see that we have a new figure in our survey database called line. Now, let's show this as well with a simple text file. I'll create a new drawing. And once again, I'll go through the import survey data. I'll create a new survey database, call it text. I'll pick my point file. And notice that I have my point file format set to PNEZD, comma delimited. I'll create a new network and call it text. And then for my import options, once again, my current figure prefix database is set to sample, and process Linework during import is checked on. Once I click finish, you'll notice the same thing happens. My survey points are in the new database, as well as this new line figure.